What's up? Good morning. Welcome back to another video. Right now it's a little bit too cold, so let me wait up to warm up my body so I can, be all like, hey, what's up? Like, that's way too much right now. So is this satisfying? Yes or no? 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, we leave the G for the day. So we're in this random building. Let's see if we can sneak into the computer lab because I need to talk to you guys. I think we're good. All right, we get a nice little look here from the school. Oh yeah. Okay. Cause let's log in here. Alright, perfect. Alright guys, so here we are at the computer lab and I got a couple tabs open for you here in my mighty handy computer. I'm so confused, guys. Like, you guys don't know, like, it's freaking hard. Especially when you're tired as fuck, wake up at 6:30 a.m., look at your phone and the first thing you see is a YouTube comment of saying like, oh fuck, your channel fucking sucks. I'm like, I mean, I try to disregard it, but it's hard sometimes, bro. In the morning, especially in the morning at 6:30, bro. Why you do that to me? Come on, at least say good morning, I asked you guys on Instagram. Let's see if we can click on it. I showed this picture and I was like, hey, what do you guys think, right? Drive shaft plenum. I answered on Instagram. I got a variety. I got like 4 or 5 DMs on catch can. I got a few on this, more like 10, 11. I got a lot on the plenum spacer, and I got a few of the drive shaft. So let's take a look at YouTube, see what you guys said. Bags, okay, not in the option. Probably not gonna get bags, but who knows? Yeah, that straight pipe I had on my G drove me crazy. Yeah, guys. So one of the reasons I was interested in exhaust is because that muffler delete resonator, it definitely does sound good. It's perfectly loud. It gets the pops, but that drone inside is pretty insane. I've driven in the driver's seat, of course, because I own the car. I've driven also on the passenger side a few times when my dad drives or when I let my girlfriend drive. And it's pretty freaking insane, dude. It's pretty freaking loud. So kind of done with that. We got threes exhaust. Three, a lot of threes exhaust, 3. I do want deep dish wheels. I do definitely want deep dish wheels. I do so bad. Exhaust, plenum spacer, exhaust, plenum spacer. Can have 1 catch can plenum spacer. So you guys kind of get the gist. We got a lot of 2s and 3s, a lot of plenum spacers and exhaust. Here, I'm gonna show you guys kind of what I'm interested in each specific region. So I had a couple questions. So the first one I'm interested is, I know it's Amazon, but I just want to pull up the picture. Is the motor down 516 plenum spacer for the G35. I've heard a lot of good things about it. It's not that expensive. It's only $245. So we might be able to cop this one pretty shortly here. And I think this will be freaking awesome. You guys know, I know there's a Z1 plenum spacer here. Z1's really known for having good quality parts. Z1's pretty good. They have their time attack 3 370, I think it is, or 350, I'm not sure. So they do build some good parts. So what do you guys think? And this one is a bit cheaper. It's 188. So what do you guys think? I don't know if any of you guys have experience with this, but Z1 plenum spacer or Motordyne. If not enough information comes by, I'm most likely gonna go with the Motordyne just because there's a lot of reviews out there, and it's good. It's good. It works, and it's gonna get the mission done. All right, next one, the drive shaft. It's for an automatic. I know. Shut the fuck. I'm just kidding, guys. I love you. I love you guys. Anyways, drive shaft is aluminum drive shaft, right? It spins. The stock drive shaft for the G35 is a 2-piece. This is gonna convert it into a 1-piece, direct 1-piece, and it's, supposedly it says it's about half as much weight as the original 2-piece shaft. So it's lighter and it's a 1-piece. So it is quite expensive though, $679. But this one's kind of on the verge. I've seen Static Garage on Static Martin's G35. He installed it. He has a manual, but he installed the same thing. This piece. He's got some great results. I've seen a lot of G35 or 350. Not 350 because 350s already have one single carbon something drive shaft. But the G35 YouTubers that installed this, they've had great results. But I also extend my research into the forums and things like that, and it's just like you get some ups, some downs, or maybe it's good, but maybe for the price it might be a little on the line. Okay, but the next one, this one's I'm really interested. This is gonna go to the exhaust. This is on Jugu Racing. This is the ISR Performance Single GT exhaust for the 350. You are able to fit this into the G35 with a extension pipe that we are able to get on Z1 website for about $88. So no biggie. But yeah, the single GT exhaust for 350. I freaking love the way this sounds. Along with the ISR Performance white pipe for it, a whole catback exhaust for like $600 doesn't seem too bad, and it's relatively cheap compared to other like Motordyne catback exhaust or any other exhaust, and it sounds freaking good. I'm not sure if I should get test pipes or high flow. I know ISR sells the high flow cats. I'm not sure if I'll get it. I'm still debating. We're gonna tune the car eventually. I'll probably get a flame map because why the freak not? It'll be sick. But I also want to tune the car, maybe get a crackle tune. Those are really freaking awesome. But here's the deal. He's kind of where my life stands here with the G35, guys. I've mentioned a lot of stuff with like twin turbo. I mentioned a lot of stuff with the new car. I mentioned a lot of stuff with like turbo in the car and things like that. Here's the deal. I don't got money. The engine's not gonna last forever. I was gonna think about turboing the car or anything like that, but definitely want to buy another car and kind of go like a bolt-on method with another car. So let me know any freaking like suggestions of cars you guys think of, like what I should get that would be good with bolt-ons. Like a Corvette would be a pretty good bolt-on car or anything like that. So let me know what kind of car, and I kind of want to maintain it relatively cheap, budget wise, maybe anywhere from $6,000 to $10,000, I would say, just so I can have money left over to like kind of buy bolt-on pieces and not just buy an expensive car and not have money left over to put anything on. All right, we'll be graduating shortly anyway, so we'll get a job and hopefully money flows in good. But I also need to save up for actual life, not just cars. I gotta buy a house, I gotta buy an apartment, whatever. Also, another thing, I don't want you guys to recognize me as the car guy. I don't want to be like Mike or like DDE or Donut, which I just finished watching the video. Freaking awesome video. I don't want to be that car guru guy because I'm nowhere near close to that. I just kind of want to be the guy that loves cars and vlogs. Kind of like the Stradman, you guys watch the Stradman, he vlogs, he does cars. He doesn't necessarily work on his cars precisely. He just has a bunch of supercars. Doesn't really work on them. He kind of just sends it to somebody else and like that. But so that's kind of the thing I want to do. I want to love cars, have a team. Yes, we can work on it. We'll build turbos and things like that. I don't want to get too technical though, like just do cars and upgrade this and even though it's kind of what I'm doing right now. But I don't know, I kind of want to do like vlog kind of thing. So anyways, I got like 6-7+ hours here at school. I'm not gonna do pretty much shit, so I'll catch you guys once we get to the G35 and we'll get back home. Long day of work, but yet here we are, back to the Batmobile, or to the Yellowmobile, whatever you want to call it. Yeah. kid you not, guys, the whole shift, the whole time I was there, I literally just looked. I put the ISR, I put the exhaust in the cart. You know how you shop online, you put it in add to cart, you know? I put it add to cart. Check, I was pressing like place order. I was like, I want to press it. I want to press it. I want to press it. I couldn't press it, guys. I think I'm waiting for that refund check that I need to get from my steering wheel. I think that's the only one I need to get. Besides that, I literally just want to click, click, click. Hey guys, I don't know what went wrong right now, but it happened this morning too. I was just driving normal, and it, like the gas cut off. It's like the gas and the power cut off, and it's like completely still like the car's moving, but like it's like you don't feel like if you press the pedal nothing happens, like. And it happened for like a split second, not even a full second. It happened for a split second. I don't know what the hell that was, but I don't know. It can't be the battery. It can't. 20 minutes later and we still not home, bro. Hella traffic. No, we gotta boot it up. The jet activated. Let's go. Oh, the pops. Okay. Man, you guys think if I put the new exhaust, it will still pop? I don't know if it should, man. I'm definitely gonna miss it.
Protein style triple burger or triple patty. But it got blocked by the hydro flask.
You could have left it there. Honestly, this burger is not bad. I think 3 patties is just the right amount. It's the next day, but I forgot to say bye to you guys. There you go. Well, anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. When PayPal confirms to me that we're getting our refund, that's probably gonna happen this Saturday, and we'll wait on that. But besides that, I'll catch you guys next video. Thank you guys for tuning in. See you guys next video. Peace.